Action.
Hi everyone, me and Mrs. Cardinal are finally here. I'm Mr. Blue Jay. What? And today we're unboxing the Steven Universe 3D Buddies at Five Below. So these were brand new. So, oh, the end. Let's see who I got. Oof. I can't do this, Mrs. Cardinal. Can't do this, Mrs. Cardinal.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mrs. Cardinal. Let's see who I got. Pops open. Come on. Man, I swear to you. I can't get this open, Mrs. Cardinal. You are Mr. Cardinal. Okay, let's see.
Who is it?
I don't know. Oh my gosh, here's the collector. Oh look, you could also get lion. Oh, I kind of want lion. Next one. All right, Mrs. Cardinal. Let's teach us something. Here we go, Mrs. Cardinal. This is the collector's guide. This is just the collector's guide. This is just the collector's guide because I feel see the Sasha boys did this. That might be way easier. He had to be a dad. All right, Mr. Cardinal. Do you feel something? Do you feel scared? I'm kind of nervous by opening these.
I'm kind of nervous. What are you nervous about?
Okay, Mrs. Cardinal. I know. I'm a little shy now.
Since when are you shy?
Because I'm Mr. Blue Jay.
Let's be Mom and Nolan.
But we could be birds. We could be anything.
We can be anything.
All right, Mrs. Cardinal. I'm Mr. Blue Jay. Let's see. Crack. Crack it open.
Oh my goodness! Who is it?
I don't know.
You do too.
The cheese.
It's Amethyst.
Maybe come back. Let's do the next one. Let's do the next one. All right, Mrs. Cardinal. Who do you think it is next? Is it lion? Probably lion.
I would like lion or Steven.
I wish Steven had a cheeseburger.
Oh, in his backpack. Cheeseburger
And I'll
backpack.
say the cheeseburger song. All right, Mr. Cardinal. Me. Boy, me.
That must be a... Do they all have? Oh, they all have it.
Oh. Let's see who's the next one. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. This is Cardinal. I feel like this is our first time unboxing. Right. I know I got eaten by Megalodon twice. And he also has... I know that the army solo chase McCain kind of goes like this. So I kind of want to do the next one. Me. Oh, I see it. Ooh, a different color. Let's see. Yike, I can't get this open. Here we go, Mrs. Cardinal. Oh.
What's her name?
Oh. Yep.
Smith.
Next one.
She's cute.
Oh, I feel like it's gonna be a duplicate because I don't know who's next. All right, Mrs.
What makes you think it's a duplicate?
We need 0 duplicates. So the boy, me. woodpeckers. Woodpecker. Who's Odo? I think Odo was from Minions 2, The Rise of Gru, but... Oh, I think we got a yellow.
Oh, so are the color of the balls what indicates who it is?
White, purple, and yellow. Mrs. Cardinal, open your eyes.
This would be cute keychains.
Close your eyes because you won't know who's in here. Close your eyes. Okay. Next. Oh, I need help, Mrs. Cardinal.
If my eyes were closed, what would you do?
I feel like, okay, me.
Don't be a duplicate.
Don't be a duplicate. Oh my gosh, it's finally new.
It's Steven. They're all new.
Oh, wait, do we have one more?
I think we have one more.
I wish we got. Oh no! Woodpeckers are. Help me with this one.
There's a new Steven Universe series coming out.
That's so exciting.
Woodpecker. Part 1. Why don't they get brain damage, Mrs. Cardinal?
It'll come out in 26 or 27 on Amazon Prime.
Cardinal.
We focus on Mars.
Oh, chickadee.
Mars and the stars.
Let's sing the cheeseburger song of Black Hat. Chickadee. It goes Phoebe. Uh-oh, I think.
Last one. Who's it gonna be?
It's White Diamond.
I hope it's Lion. Man, Daddy jinxes us.
Dad jinx us another duplicate.
Just one duplicate.
One duplicate. So we
She's
did.
so pretty.
Look, we did not get the full set. I know, but we need to buy more of these. But I kind of think that getting the Blue Jay guy.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Good night. I love you. Can we watch it again?